la 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 la. Oh, hey, I'm Kimi. Welcome to my Super Chef cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic spare ribs. It might be a little spicy, but you do not need to have chili on top, even though if you want to, you can. You can also be topped with some spring onions, which might be great for you. But it will taste really good. Okay, let's get cooking. I'm going to show you the ingredients. So, we will be using a chili, spring onion. The white part is the yummiest. Some soy sauce, white pepper, some more sugar, cooking wine, 6 garlic cloves, some garlic salt, and some pork ribs. They're hard. First, we're going to wash the ribs and then we're going to dry them. We're going to be using this paper towel. We're going to do the front and the back. Now I'm going to cut the ribs. I'm scared. Chef, do not get scared. I'll not be proud of myself if I ever cut my finger again. With this giant knife. Now to cut these garlic cloves. I'm okay. Time to marinate it or season. And some white pepper. Just add a little. Okay, time to massage it. Even though my hands are very dirty now. It feels so weird. Now we're gonna stick these in the fridge for at least 5 or 6 hours. Best if you marinate it for overnight. While we're waiting for these to marinate, even though I haven't even marinated mine, I want you to pound the subscribe and ring that bell and smash that like button. To get our finishing touches of our pretty marinated meat, we are going to be using some chili and some spring onion. Look at these really cute little spring onion chain. Now we're going to put some baking paper onto a tray. Maybe I got a little too much. Now we're gonna line these on. This is definitely gonna be super duper yummy. Now it's time to pop these in the oven. Now I'm gonna add the finishing touches. These have just gone out of the oven, and I sprinkled the finishing touches. Isn't it lovely? It's time for me to try it. Really good indeed. If you think it's good, then you make it. Okay, bye-bye from Chef Timmy.